how to use Bach Flower Remedies. One of the most frequent questions I get is, how do I use Bach Flower Remedies? By the end of this video, you will have a greater understanding of the ways we can use them. Let's start by defining what a stock bottle and what a mixing bottle is. A stock bottle is a bottle that contains a concentrate of any of the remedies. A typical stock bottle will come in either 10 or 30 milliliters. A mixing bottle is typically 30 milliliters. It will be empty and can be used for creating your own remedy mixes. There are several methods of using the remedies. All of them are effective. Method 1. Taking 2 drops directly from the stock bottle. The quickest way to take the remedies is to just put 2 drops onto your tongue. Do not put them under your tongue. These remedies are vibrational in nature and they work best when you put them on an energy entry point. You can also put 2 drops on your wrist. Method number 2. Using a mixture bottle. Fill a mixture bottle with 3/4 water and 1/4 brandy. The alcohol is used if you wish to preserve the mix for a longer term. Then take 4 drops from the mixture bottle and put them on your tongue. This has the same potency as method 1, but will make your remedies last way longer. A 10 milliliter bottle has 60 doses in it, meaning you can make one stock bottle last for many years if you make them into a mixture. Method number 3. Take a glass of water and add 2 drops from the stock bottle into it. Then sip every few minutes. Method number 4. If you have a problem with alcohol, this method is useful. Take 4 drops from the mixture bottle and add it to a glass of water. This will make the alcoholic content extremely minimal. And yes, you can use drinks other than water, such as orange juice, tea, and coffee. Adding more drops will not improve the results. 2 drops directly from the stock bottle will do exactly the same as 3 or more drops. 4 drops from the mixture bottle will do exactly the same as 5 or more drops. Frequency rather than quantity is the key to getting faster results. Taking a remedy every few minutes or as needed can produce healing within hours. And that's it. It's that simple. The remedies are easy to take. The key is just taking the right one at the right time. But that is a skill within itself. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, here are some others you might find interesting. If you have any thoughts, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment and maybe even a like.